June 4, 2024. Let's review the market. Let's look at SPY. I would say today's SPY is pretty good, Bulls and bears both were winners. No losers today. Either go long or go short. You should be able to make profit. Let's look at what happened. Okay, again, my favorite strategy, right? 50 cross 200. It happened. Always happens once a day on 1 minute time frame. And look at what happened. I always say when a pattern formed, we got a long channel, long rising channel. It's a bullish channel, okay? It's just tapering. Finally, it had a new trend, new break, new leg. It could go up or go down. For this case, since 50 didn't cross 200 for today, so I assume it should go down, right? It did. So it happened. It broke down. It's a nice, if we went short around here, it should be a good profit. And then after that, what happened? After that, we have a long uptrend. What did it happen? Let's look at the daily chart. Okay, let's look at daily chart. So as I said yesterday, support should be 10 5-day moving average. It did tested the 20-day moving average and 5-day moving average. So we got strong support. These two level here, and then bounce from here and all the way close higher, but it didn't close above yesterday's high. That's not a good sign. As I said yesterday we got a hanging man. Okay, we saw a little bit slightly bearish when we got hanging man near the top. Okay, it's a near the bottom. That's a good sign, right, for bullish trend. But now we got hanging man near the top. That's slightly bearish. So today it didn't close above yesterday's high. So but anyway, it's still good. We got for bulls and bears should be able to pick up points. Nice profit for both sides. That's why I said both sides were winners. No losers today. If you enter the right level. Okay, let's look at tomorrow. What happened tomorrow? Okay, let's look at support and resistance for tomorrow. Let's look at the Dow Jones first. For the Dow Jones, look at Dow Jones. 10-day moving average crossed below 20-day already. And then it got rejection at 50-day moving average, okay? 3 times. We tested the 50-day moving average a little closer, but it got rejection. So watch out and look at the MACD here, 30-minute. Man, we got, I would say this sort of like a little bit divergence. Okay, it's a divergence for the MACD. So angle sign, be mindful. If it doesn't break above tomorrow, okay, if it fail above, watch out. That means it will roll down, retest last week low. Okay, so first scenario, either tomorrow it'll break up. If it doesn't break up, then it will roll down, retest the low, last week low, most likely. Let's hope it will go up. And don't forget, next week we have a Fed meeting. So that's another, signal. We change the market sentiment, either bullish or bearish. Let's look at the SPY. Yeah, and for the 30-minute chart, the SPY, as long as it stays above 200 moving average, it should be, bullish. Let's see it will do it. But again, for the 1 minute, 2 minute time frame, I would say, wait for a pullback a little bit, since we got support below the 5-day and 20-day and 10-day order supports here. I think the 10-day moving average should be weak, but 5-day, 20-day should be strong. Tomorrow, the 5-day will cross 20-day. So be careful. Two scenario. Since, for the Dow Jones, 10-day moving average cross 20-day moving average already for the Dow Jones. Will the SPY follow? We will find out. If it follows, that means this guy must roll down. Okay? Must come down. If 10-day cross 20-day, just like Dow Jones. If the SPY doesn't follow Dow Jones, it will retest and fill the gap here. There's a little small gap right here. We'll fill this gap and go higher. Test this trend line. Remember, there's a trend line here. So either two ways to do it. So up there, trend line, how many points? 1, 2, 3. So 31, close to 31, 531 right here. Okay. So this is a resistance. Should be a major resistance up here. If it doesn't go down, then it will go up. If it doesn't go up, it should come down. It might retest the low again around here. So watch out. We're gonna have a big move tomorrow. Looks like. Look at VIX. Look at the VIX here. The VIX 10-day moving average already crossed 20-day. So it looks like, still slightly bullish to the upside. So when the VIX goes up, that means what? The market, the SPY should go down. So something we have to pay attention. Because today, bar, today close, it's not beautiful. Today close just, within yesterday's candlestick bar. So we wait for a breakout then tomorrow. So watch out again for the Dow Jones. 10-day already crossed 20-day moving average. Will the SPY follow? We're gonna find out soon. Either tomorrow or Thursday. If SPY follows Dow Jones, that means it will roll over, go down more. If it doesn't follow, then it should tomorrow hit the major resistance. Maybe you have a new top, double top. Okay. And also look at 30-minute. Right now, 30-minute is slightly bullish because it's staying above 200 moving average on 30-minute time frame. And let's see. And one more thing, if I go, I always say look at 5-minute chart. Once it stays above 200 moving average on 5-minute chart, usually it lasts at least 5 to 7 days above 200 moving average before a new trend. So watch out for this. So let's see, it will stay above 200 moving average for at least 5 days this time. It might turn around. So just always buy low, sell high. Find the support and resistance level. For now, I wouldn't chase the market until has a retracement, just like today. Hopefully, it won't get up tomorrow. Has a nice, come down 50 cross 200 first, and for the 1 minute and 2 minute time frame. Okay. Good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.